What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Fix this camera. We're gonna get right into this video. No kissing. Alright, we got that. Let me just make sure my other little monitor is good. Alright, now that we're here, guys, let's get running into this breakdown. Damn, and it's all the same chart. Goddamn. Let's get right on into it. So we're starting off on NAS 100. We're going to start off by marking up the previous day's high and the previous day's low. So as of right now, neither of the previous day's high or previous day's low has been ran through. So today's either going to be an inside day, meaning neither the previous day high or the previous day's low are going to get ran, or the volume hasn't kicked in yet, meaning that there's still a chance that we could still catch the majority of the move for today. So I just marked the Asian session range, and now I'm getting the 12 a.m. open. The first thing that I'm noticing is we got 2 points in price in which we could potentially have the high of the day. But in my opinion, this low that we have right here is something I'm looking at for potential buy as of right now, because we can see prices starting to consolidate below the 12 a.m. open. If you see where we are, it's about a 68 point stop, which is not really ideal in my opinion. So we got to keep that in mind, that this low is our potential low of the day, and I do not want to see this get ran if I am pretty bullish. But also, I'm going to be using the previous day's high and previous day's low to draw a fib, also to map out a potential area in which price is going to be retracing into. So for example, we had this 38.20% rejection. Price came down, but I personally think that there's still going to be a run for above these highs up here and tap into this level up here. And also, if you look where this high is, we got 13,200, which I think is going to be an area price is more than likely going to be reaching for. And we're also going to pull a fib from this low, from yesterday's low, to here. And you can see currently price is having that 38.20% rejection. So there is a chance price could make a run for these Asian session lows also. So that's something I also am keeping in mind too. There's a couple things that could potentially happen in price, but it just depends on what is more likely going to happen in your opinion. Price could keep on dropping even lower, or it could push higher. But in my opinion, I think we're at least going to make a run to 13,200 before anything else. And as long as we can stay above 13,000, I think there's going to be a high chance that price is going to make that run for these higher levels. The only thing is right now is I don't kind of like the stop loss. I kind of want to have 50 points if I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a lower time frame. I'm going to look at what's going on here. So I don't know. Personally, I do want to go long, so I'm thinking about taking a position in a second for a potential long. The only thing is I'm going to be paying attention to the higher time frame also. So let me go over here. All my charts are a little messed up right now. Yeah, hold on. Get this over here. Go to daily. Take this off. As of right now, we are in an area where price is more than likely going to keep on falling. That is something that I already know in the back of my head. But based off setup wise, I wouldn't be comfortable just selling right now anyway. So if I can, I'm going to be waiting for a good buy scenario. But I think personally this area right now, since we're in a lower time frame, you can see price holding up this 5-minute order block within here. And I do want to see price, if I can let it come down a little bit lower to potentially this 1350 area, I think I'm going to look to take that long position. The only thing is, like I was saying earlier, is stop loss placement. From right here, we will have about a 70-point stop, which isn't really ideal. But what's going on, Martin? I saw that you joined. You can hear me? For what? Oh, alright, oh, alright. How wide is your stop loss? point wise. That's not horrible. Could be worse. There's only so much you could do though. Like right now, I'm thinking about trying to get into a trade with about a 70-point stop loss. But the only thing is I'm trying to let it come a little bit lower, but I might potentially miss the trade. 60 points. I just don't want to see it take off without me. That's my main thing. So sometimes just having a small stop loss might be what it is. But we got to look at where our first potential target is. That's for 130. So if I can get maybe a 60-point, 65-point stop, I can have my TP2 before 13,200, which is what I'm trying to do. Okay, I might be able to get a 60-point stop loss now that we're dropping like this. I want to see what it's gonna do though. Okay, we are dropping, but how low do you plan on dropping? Let me go back to 15 to see. Yeah, we're dropping right now. Hold on, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna wait to take a position to see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait. Because we're getting close to these lows. If these lows get ran through, then I'm not going to take that. That trade is no longer going to be valid for me. And it looks like it's already coming down there. US 30 still has a chance. If anything, I would potentially look about US 30 for a long, depending on what happens here. Yeah, let me mark up these previous highs and lows real quick. Need a good trade. Haven't had a good trade this week. Yeah. Following the rules. That's all. Part of me wants to take this trade on NAS, but I don't know. We're pretty extended right now. I don't like how close we are. We're no longer even holding this fib either. US 30 is looking like a better position, personally. But stop loss for US. Oh, fuck that. 150 is crazy. Honestly, just gotta wait to see how price is gonna react in this area. It looks like it's coming back to this 13,000 level, just creating more orders. If I can find where the bulk orders are being placed at, I can find where the best potential area. Yeah, in here, ideally, this is where the bulk orders are being placed. So this is either going to go up or down from this area, and it looks like it's trying to push even lower. If I look at where the majority of the orders are from yesterday's previous day high and low, the bulk of the orders, yeah, this general area is just a lot of orders being built in. So today could potentially even just be a ranging day. Same thing with US 30. Bulk of the orders are all in the same area. But I don't know. Taking a trade on US 30 looks a little nice right now. I just don't like the stop loss. That's my main problem right now with it. 150-point stop loss is too much for me, my boy. Yeah, right now, NAS isn't looking too promising for me, so I'm gonna have to just let it show me otherwise. Potentially, maybe just have a false break and start trading back above this high. Then I'll look to take that long. But as of right now, we are starting to lose that momentum on the 1 minute. But I gotta keep in mind that that's a lower time frame, and the candles aren't always gonna paint a long-term picture. Yeah, you can see it's still falling. You just gotta give it time. Still got about 20 minutes until it'll open. Just 13,000 is more than likely gonna get tapped into. If not, these lows don't get ran through, then 13,000 more likely still gonna just get touched. US 30, I still want to see it hold. If we go to a lower time frame, is there any order blocks? Yeah, there are. There's a few of them in here. some imbalances that need to be tapped into. Let me check NAS. Did NAS all the imbalances get filled? Look to the to the left. Because one thing I learned about order blocks is that it's not classified as an order block unless it has imbalances within it. That's something I learned. Imbalance. Okay, there's last imbalance, it looks like right here. Depending on how price is moving with it, it's going to decide whether I take a trade. So this is the last imbalance before that low, 1 minute time frame. I'm going to scroll it all the way over. Let's see how it's looking compared with price. Okay. It is having that reaction there though, for sure. Look at that. How's US30 looking? I want to see US30 start to at least start to try to reject to give me more confluence for trying to take this long. I don't know. Part of me does want to just take the long and have my stop loss at that low. How wide would my stop loss be? I could. I don't know how I feel about it. Let me check these higher time frames. This NAS is just so extended. Both are really extended. You said what? Say it again. I could barely hear you. Yeah, we're at like 13,000. This is looking more bearish. Ooh. It's looking way more bearish. Looks like we potentially made that high of the day. That's US30 though. I don't know. Looks like price might just keep on dropping again. It's about to tap into that 13,000 level. Oh, it's trying to hold. I might just say fuck it. We'll get the setup. But look how it's holding that imbalance. I kind of like that. So from here, I could have potentially like a 30-point stop loss, which is pretty valid. I'm just not trying to take another L today for this week. And we are pretty close to here. I don't know. It's a risky one. Hasn't had a push. I just don't like how this US30 is failing to push. Damn, every time I restart my computer, I get all these charts get all random. How's S&P looking? S&P is looking similar. I don't know how I feel about this level. I want to take the long, but it's a risky one. I'm gonna just wait. Just trying to weigh the opportunities right now. I know that we still got other areas in price it could potentially reach for all the way down here. There's another imbalance within here. So it all depends, honestly. But I'm just looking for potential London continuations. That's why I'm eyeing this potential trade right here. I might just say fuck it and take it. What I might do? Let me see. Alright, I'm gonna take the trade. I'm gonna just see what happens. If it fails, well, it is what it is. Wrong one. Stop loss is gonna go right below the low of the day. The only problem with this trade right now that I'm having is just how close we are to stop loss. So this is a riskier trade for sure. About 30-point stop loss. And ideally, if we get to those first ideal targets, that could be an ideal 1 to 6 almost for me. But we'll see. This is a risky one, but if it plays out, it's going to be worth it. Mm-hmm. Nah, facts. We'll see what happens. It's all good though, bro. You just gotta learn to be more patient. I don't try to hop in too early. Like, I don't even try to look at the charts at a certain time. Yeah, cause I need the volume. And also, what's today? Wednesday. We had news at 8:30. Yeah, news at 8:30. Yeah, I want to see how price reacts with 13,000 right here. Let's see. Let's see if price is just gonna continue to melt another day. And it's just let's see. I would ideally not want to see that. Let's just mark up S&P while we wait. S&P doesn't look like it's gonna be holding these fib levels anymore, which is not a good sign for these other pairs. And this is a wide range. So maybe I like lost my train of thought. Mm-mm. Yeah, we'll see what's up with S&P too. We'll see what's up. There we go. Yeah, 13,000 looks like it's getting held. 5 minute engulfing. Yeah, let's see what happens. I need a winning trade at NAS, so let today be the day. Damn, yeah, I can get a cool TP5 where my original TP2 is gonna be if this plays out. That would make a lot of losses back. That would be amazing. It's not that far either. It's about only 200 points, 190. It's definitely could happen. Yeah, it could definitely happen for sure. Yeah, hopefully, because we're pretty close to stop loss over here. Just close to the low overall. Yeah, I ain't expect it to drop like it did. Man, I took a L. Oh, stop loss. I was about to say, I got clapped up. Mm. 68% long. NAS 100 gonna be risky trading with retail sentiment, bro. Hey, if I take a L, it is what it is. That's why I gotta manage risk at the end of the day. How many trades do you aim to take a day? I try to aim for just like one, but the most I try to take is like two. I don't try to go past that. Anything past that is kind of over trading for me. I don't know. Price is trying to hold these levels. We gonna see. As long as we can stay above 13,000, we should be good. Or at least until, cause I can get to TP one to two, three significantly fast. Like even if we just get above this high, since I have a good stop loss, that's a 2.5 trade, 1 to 2.5, just above this high. So I'll be able to break even significantly fast. That's why if we could just get this to play out, like halfway play out, it's gonna be a good day. I don't need it to hit the full target, but if it does, it'll be amazing. 15 minute. Ideally, if we can get a 15-minute engulfing, that would be best case scenario. But if this is going to be a true London continuation, then this low down here should not get violated. And if it does, well, then I was wrong about the setup. Simple as that. Can't be right about them all. Nah, you don't even got to. As long as you got good risk reward, you could be wrong 70% of the time. Still make money. Like with this trade, if this say this goes to 15, 13,200, just cause I'll be able to make about 7,500 just off of this, right? But I'm risking 1.5%, but 1,500, right? But that's my average loss. But if something like this plays out, that's gonna secure my losses for a damn near week. So that's how I look at it. It just takes one good setup to really preserve you and keep you going. It just allows you to what's it called? Floating, not float. Yeah, you have floating profit, so it gives you profit to play with. So now when if you take a whole bunch of losses, you're still technically up, but you have made the money from the bigger setups that allowed you to just keep on going. Because the thing is, you're just trading day by day as a day trader, just making it, I can't think of the words, just stringing along almost, just like you're doing this just to get it by. Okay, little by little bit today, little bit today, little bit today, little bit today, a lot one day, little bit, a lot. You get what I'm saying? It's just keeping you in the game. Almost at TP1. Let me get a before picture, just in case. You never know, fam. Gotta be ready. Ready in case this shit shoots to the fucking moon and I make $1 million. Imagine. Oh yeah, for sure one day. Let's just get to TP. I'm not gonna break even till TP2 since I am in a pretty small stop loss range, but we'll see what happens. We gonna see what happens. Yeah, I used to watch them. Yeah, bro, it takes time. I heard a quote yesterday. It was like success isn't determined by how much money or you make or the things you buy. It's determined by how many losses you took and still were able to overcome them. That's the more losses I take, shit, get me right. I'll take them losses. I'll take a few years of taking L's. That's cool. I want to see it turn into an engulfing. Fuck holding. I need to get out of this 5-minute order block. That's what I need. Oh shit, get up out of there, my boy. Get up out of there. Yeah, I like plays like this. I just like when they play out a little bit cleaner. Such as US 30 right here, how it did not get this close to the fucking where my stop loss is supposed to be. Look at this. Like the chance of this happening, at least it's a big figure level right there that gave me the extra confluence to get in the trade, but that's not, I don't like taking trades like that. Like if this turns into an engulfing on that US 30 and keeps on pushing, that's gonna be a nice, this would have been a nice clean London continuation. The only thing I don't like about it is just the stop loss. Like me personally, I would rather take the trade over here, but the stop loss placement would be damn near 167 points. Same thing with Nas. Not Nas. What's this? S&P. S&P is a little bit less, 15 points. But S&P just has a smaller ranges though. So 15 points for potential first target at 37, 39. Damn, Nas, don't do this. Don't do this. Damn. Retracement coming, or it's gonna either keep on dropping after this. Damn, all that time for just to come back to break even in a matter of a second. Ain't that some shit? I don't know, it is looking risky, but like I said, I knew it was risky taking it. If this is an L, well, it's one and done. Shit, it could, but I think it'll probably be more slow progress. Oh, there. I don't know. I looked away for a minute. Hey, fuck it. Keep on going. Keep on going, my boy. What's the 15-minute? I think it's gonna be closing soon. So I think I need this engulfing. We got 4 minutes to engulf. Come on, engulf. 15-minute engulfing. Right here. I need price to get above this high right here. That red line, I needed to get above. If we can get above that by 9, what is it? When is this next candle close? 4 minutes. Yeah, so like about 5 minutes. If we can get above this red line, we're gonna be good. We are going to be good. $6,000. Damn. No, yeah, it's nowhere near here. 6,000 is significantly far away. You said 6,000? Ain't no way you mean 6,000. All the way down here? Okay, mine's at 14. Damn, 6,000 significantly far. I don't see any order blocks over here though. I see a gap. I see a lot around 7,000. Yeah, I kind of see what you're saying. I thought you meant like exactly at 6,000. Come on, you see red line. Red line. Got 3 more minutes to get above the red line. Get above the red line. Watch. It's gonna do all this and like the last minute it's gonna shoot above and it's just close. Am I at TP1 yet? I think I am. Almost. Yeah, I'm almost at TP1. I think I hit TP1. It just, the rejection pushed it back down. Come on. Damn. Not looking good. Don't like the way that's coming down. Damn. We got 2 minutes on this candle to engulf. Come on. Don't do this to me. I'm tired of taking losses. Oh man, yeah. I don't know if it's gonna engulf, but at least we'll get closer. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's it. It's been. I be forgetting I had that positioning. Like I looked at it last night. I was like, wait a minute. After this big ass drop, I'm still in this up. I've been holding for a minute. I could, but it's a short position, so I wouldn't hold it a long time. Swing trade could be wow. Yeah, I think it's close to a month. Where'd I get in? This whole month I've been holding. I got in last month, March. Just as long as I've held anything though. That's for sure. Oh, there we go. What I say? Didn't I say it was gonna come at the last second? Oh, it's because it's 9:30. Keep flying. We're no kizzy. Come on, boy. All right, I'm breaking even. Fuck that. I'm break even now. I ain't losing nothing. All right, TP2. Come on. I need this shit to fly. Because now I'm at a point where I could either take profit or just let it go. We up. We up. Come on. Keep flying. Keep flying. Go to this high. Go to this one. Don't reject. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Oh, not what I like to say. So close. So close. This 930 volatility is something else right now. What's this doing? Oh, this is dropping. Ooh, I don't like the way that that's dropping. What's S&P? I don't like the way what US 30 is doing, man. I don't know. I think if we can get to TP3, I might take a partial, honestly, and just secure it and leave like another little runner. We up. We up. I need the other picture. I told you before and after pictures. I'm a fiend. Yeah, if I can get the TP3, I'm gonna take a partial. I'm not gonna hold fully. I'm gonna make sure I take something. I ain't gonna finesse myself like I've done the past fucking other times I had a great trade. It's not even worth it. That's what I'm saying. Just come on. Get to TP3. Get to TP3. So close. So close. So close, but so far. Where's 14,100? Right here. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I take a partial at this big figure. Alright, got it. Taking my partial. Oh, gotta be quick with it. Gotta be quick with it. Oh, rejection already. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, took my partial. Oh yeah. We up. We up. We up. We up. Man, I posted on Instagram too. If this goes through, if this plays out, we up. We up. We fucking up. Yeah, I got a pretty good runner in. Hey man, just be careful, cause just know that if this ends up being the reverse London continuation, we're coming into that fib right now. Just know that. So I got out here, and if it keeps going, I have a .5 position still in. so I'm gonna be able to hold it. But I do know that there is a chance that this could still go the other way because this is a London high too, and everything's already bearish. So just keep that in mind. That's all. Yeah, we're getting rejection here. I'm gonna take another little partial just because I got OCD, and I kind of okay. Yeah, it's a 4K day. There we go. I had a little OCD. It was like 3.9. I was like, yeah, man, I gotta get something out of this. Finally, something good. That was a great risk reward. I give myself that. Great risk reward. One and done. That's what I like to see. Days like this, they keep me going. Like this, I made back all the losses from the past few days. That's cool. And if this runs all the way to 13,200, we good. But look at the rejection right now. Just keep that in mind. That's all I want you to know. So if you didn't take a partial, just think about it. You know what I'm saying? Because if this reverses, it's easily gonna go all the way back down to TP1, if not around break even. Nah, that's flying. That shit is flying. What I say? What I say? Come right over here. What I say? What did I say? Come on now. Come on now. Oh yeah, that shit's gone. That shit's gone. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. Days like this, I told you. Big days. Oh yeah. I'm still floating right now. Oh my god. Today might just be a 5. I could close it all out right now for a 5% total day. Nah. Nah. I think I'll try to close it up here if it keeps going. We'll see how it reacts. If we can get above this high, then this will be an actual London continuation day. But if we can't get above it, then it's more than likely going to still be a bearish day. But until we get above here, my setup hasn't fully played out. Because that's my first real target. Like where we drew the fib from. Those two highs and lows. That's where I like to draw the fib. And then I like to use that New York high as a target. But we'll see. $13.11. Still pretty good. Nah, it could have been better. Could have been 13. It's like, doing. Imagine. Yeah, yeah. You know what? Could have been. Where's exactly this low at of this candle? The low is at 12,997. Yeah, I could have got in at like 12,998. You know what I'm saying? Like a point away. Yeah, we were there when it was doing it for sure. Yeah, I'm holding this. Once we get to 13,200, I'm taking my final partial. But I'm done for the day now. I can go about my day stress free. I made my losses back. I could chill all week if I wanted to. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. That's why I wanted to get out, just in case. Especially look at the rejection we're getting there. This wasn't even a big ass trade either. Just stop losses. The risk reward plays such a big part. Like this trade was only 88 points for me. But that's crazy though. Risk reward is king, man. Risk reward is king. Yeah, I was like, let me wait. Let me wait. I would have got in all the way up here for like a 70-point stop. I would barely be at TP1. Barely be at TP2. Glad I had the patience. Great entry. It was risky, like I said, but I knew what I wanted to see. It's early too, not even 10 o'clock. What I say? What I say? I'll come right over here. What I say? You said a hard stop at 13,500? Oh, TP. Nah, bro. I would just do that 13,200. At least. Because we're so close to it. Once we grab those highs and tap in the big figure, we're more than likely going to have a retracement regardless. And we might not even get to 13,500. So, you know what I mean? That's a pretty far target. That's previously high. What I would do is make sure you take majority off here and leave a runner at that point. And just let the runner go to wherever. Don't even put a TP. Yeah, I'm trying to get out at 13,200. Because right now it looks like price is not even in the fib no more. So we're starting to actually push away from it. So more than likely, the full setup should play out. And once we get to 13,200, I'm out of there. Oh, God. I'm taking my money and leaving. Taking that shit and going home. I'm going to the gym. I've been slacking. I've been like, I don't know, ever since I got my computer, bro, I've been like in these charts on some crazy shit. Not even just winning trades, just like on just in the craft too much. You know what I mean? Start to lose focus. You can get fucking sucked into this shit. Yeah, the only thing is, like, this past 2 days, I haven't even gone to the gym. I've been slacking. Just been tired. It's hard. Consistency is the hardest part, but always today. I could always redo it all today, starting today. What I do tomorrow is dependent on what I do today, so I can't go more than 2 days out without the gym. I can't. I already know myself. Oh, yeah. Keep going. Keep on going. Come on. So close. Nah, this is a great trade. I don't even think I had any drawdown. Oh, nah, this is an amazing trade. How much are we up? 160 points. Come on. Pay attention to how we had a false break before we went up. And then we had that 15-minute and goal. I was calling it out the whole time. I give myself that. I said, maybe we could have a false break tapping the 13,000 and then get an engulfing on the 15-minute. I've just seen it all so much. It repeats. Hit target. TP. TP. Taking my partial. I'm out. I'm out. Oh, yeah. Today was a great day. Almost 4.6%. And I was only risking 1.5. Look at that. I could go. I'm gonna risk 500 tomorrow. That's it. That's all I'm risking. But yeah, that's the final TP. This is a 1-to-6 trade right now. Jesus. I don't even have a 6R on my like risk reward tool. Let me see. I don't even get. Look, this one's only up to 3. Nah, I'm a demon for that one. Jesus. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Bro. Nah, you can never be nervous. Never be nervous. You gotta have confidence. You gotta know what you expect. Like that's why it's just having risk to reward. Just knowing what you're risking. Regardless, if I took the L, it is what it is. Now I got enough. Now I have enough in profit that the next 3-4 days I'm not gonna be in drawdown. So hey, but now if I have another winning day, think about it. That's how you stay consistent equity growth. Just having big days and small losses on the regular days, and you just those days that you take an L, you just leave it at that. Cause now if I take 2 L's, that's 3% loss. If I take 2 L's, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, this is flying. Previous say high, probably going to. Oh my god. Nah, bruh. This is devious. Where's this previous say high? I'm out. I'm fully out, but I'm still up 200 points on the smallest lot size. We just holding this market back and forth at this point. Holding it long and short. We just hold it long and short now. Nah, this was a great trade. Like there's times where I do have good trades, but this is one of the good ones for sure. Look at that previous days high again tapped into. Now that is amazing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely going to the gym. I'm feeling ready now. About to go bench press 500. Yeah, look at that. But just pay attention to the areas that we came into. 13,200 was our target. Previous day's high was a target. This area over here was a target. 13,100 was a target. And I took partials. I took partials at 13,100. Imagine if I would have held all the way up here, bro. This is a 1 to 7.5. Bruh, hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna get myself mad real quick. If I would have held this full thing. Hold on. Jesus. That's passing a challenge in one trade. Just know that. Just know that. Yeah, that could have passed the challenge if I would have held the full thing to where this is right now. That would have been 11.2%. Yeah. Risking 1,500. Yeah, but still you could just like small. Well, I'm just saying you could get lucky. Like this isn't a challenge trade for me, but just you get what I'm saying? It only takes one trade. You never know when this is gonna happen. I could have I was ready to take a loss today, so you know what I'm saying? Just gotta be ready. You never know what could happen. That's what it all starts with, just coming to the chart. Oh yeah, I'm up 213 points. We'll see where this ends up going by the end of the day. I doubt this is gonna turn into a long-term trade. I don't know why my NAS like 100 chart is like all dicked. Hold on. Like it's like frozen. I don't know. Let me come over here and go to the daily and look at it like that. Oh yeah. The fact that I caught the bottom of this is kind of wild. Doesn't even like look at that. Like on the damn, this shit is flying. 230 points. But it looks like it could potentially keep on going. Once we get to this like 13,330 area, we're probably gonna start seeing reaction. We could even just be coming into this breaker block again to keep going lower. But I don't even care. I caught the majority of it. I'm cool. Like part of me just wants to take the full position out and just call it a day. Like take the most out of this trade as I can. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I don't even want to hold it. I'm cool. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. I'm taking my win, calling it a day. I caught the majority of this move, even if it flies to wherever, goes to this previous day's high all the way up there. This isn't even the previous day high now that I peeped. This is just a short-term high. Oh my god. Oh my god. Maybe I should have held it. Whole time I thought this was the previous day's high. That's tough. That is tough. Say what I say. I come right over here. What I say. What did I say? Come on now. Come on now. Whew. All right. If anyone's for the people that are watching, hopefully you enjoyed that little trade. But what I'm gonna do for you guys now is I'm going to be showing you guys how I journal my trades. So I know somebody asked about it. When was it? Yesterday. So I got this for you right now, my boy. This one's for you. We about to journal it right now. Switch this over to here. Okay, now you guys can see my chart. All right, but now as you guys can see, yesterday I took a 1.5% loss. But when you guys see how much I made today, you'll be like, okay, that's cool. But I traded NAS 100. I had the type of setup I took, which was a bullish London continuation. The confirmations I had, fib long, order block rejection at a big figure level, 13,000. Below the 12 a.m. open. Also, at the Asian range, 50%. What other confirmation do we have? And we had the false break of the short-term lows. It was a green day. The risk reward was a total of about, total with everything that I took profit with everything, it was, let me do the math. It was about a 1 to 3.5. So I'll just say 1 to 4 total. The percent gain today, I'm up 4.8%. Put the screenshot of the trade I took. And then right here, good trade, risky, but great risk to reward, replicate. And by replicate, I just mean do these types of trades. And look at how price here, if I take you guys back to the chart right now, look at how price reacts at these levels. Look at this high, took the high, and immediately it's coming back lower. It's just simple things like this, just understanding liquidity grabs and understanding where price is more than likely going to have these specific reactions from. So that's all. But if you guys were able to enjoy this video, appreciate it. That's really all I have for you guys today. Done for my trading. My trading's done. Journaled my trade. Now I just go off to the gym and enjoy the rest of my day. No kiss. I'm just waiting for Martin to get back so I can say bye to him. I don't know if partner's gonna be here, but that's all I got for you guys today. I showed you how to journal the trade, showed you the reason I got into the trade, the analysis behind it, all of that. So if you guys watched this video and enjoyed it and found it helpful in any way, shape, or form, just make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend. And that's all. I'll be active again tonight when I do the daily range case study on NAS 100. But let's look at this. Even US 30 still played out, but it was not as nice as NAS 100. Oh my god. Ooh, S&P is still a little nice, but look at how they all respected the fib levels and all respected these London lows. This is a clear example of a bullish London continuation right before our eyes. So if you were able to catch this move, hope you did good. Hope you were able to make some money out of it. If you didn't, just use this time to just go over what happened to then try to figure out and back play the move to figure out what led me to believe this, what led price to do what it did. So yeah, that's really all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, stay motivated.